Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and gathering the right cables. First, inspect your PC and monitor ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, or VGA, and grab any adapters. Once done, make sure your GPU supports 2 displays and update the display driver so the system recognizes both screens. Now power off the PC, connect the primary monitor, then the second monitor to the chosen output. This sequence reduces detection errors and speeds the next steps. You boot and immediately open Display Settings to detect and arrange screens. If one monitor is missing, click Detect. Once both appear, choose Extend versus Duplicate depending on your workflow. Next, drag the monitor icons to match their physical layout so the cursor moves naturally. Then set which is primary for taskbar and apps, and adjust resolution, scale, and refresh rate for each display to optimize clarity and performance. Make small changes, confirm, and move windows between screens to verify. You finish by calibrating color, enabling night mode if desired, and saving any display profiles so settings persist. Once configured, test with real tasks, drag windows, play video, and check performance. If a screen flickers or shows no signal, reseat cables, swap ports, or try a different adapter. Sometimes a cable or port is the culprit. If problems persist, update BIOS or firmware, and if a new driver caused issues, roll back to the previous version to restore stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.